Good morning, this is John Diaz here at Nonstop Ski Resort. It's been non-stop snowing for days now since I last reported. Honestly, I lost track. Look at that, they got a backhoe back there plowing. But it's definitely deep out here. You know, as I kick this snow, it looks like 7-8 inches. But I think it's way more because the wind just takes it all, because it's also very windy out here, especially at nighttime. So it just takes the snow everywhere. But I would say it's definitely snowed well over a foot out here. They got the backhoe out, so you know it's getting thick out here. Alright guys, I'm going to let go because it's cold out here. It's definitely probably around 0. Thanks for watching guys from Blue Knob Ski Resort.